In this video, I'm going to show you how to import BullX Neo wallet to Nova. So the first thing you're going to need is a BullX account, and in case you don't have it yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you use my link, you can save 10% on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check that out and create an account via my link if you don't have one yet. So once you have that, what you want to do is first go to BullX Neo over here on the left hand side and click on Wallet Manager. Inside Wallet Manager, you then need to have a wallet. So usually you will have one wallet by default because it gets created once you create your BullX account. But I'm just going to create a new one for this instance over here. So I'll just create a new wallet. And then inside over here, you will see one private keys and you'll be able to essentially download this private key. So what you want to do for your wallet, you just want to click on that and it will show you a private key on your screen. And it's important to not share that with anyone. You have to keep it very secure. But for this instance, you will have to copy it because we're going to have to paste it inside Nova. So just copy your private key and then head over to Telegram. You can use the web version on your mobile phone or the desktop version, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to search up the Nova bot. Now in here, inside the Nova bot, you want to hover over this menu and click on menu. Then you want to click on wallets and import wallet. Then the first thing it's going to ask you is what would you like to name this wallet, so we can give it a name. So for example, over here, we're going to do BullX Neo because of course that's what we're importing. And you want to then press enter. And it says, please enter the private key of the wallet. You just have to paste in the private key you copied from over here. And after that, when you click enter, your wallet will be imported inside inside Nova from BullX Neo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.